All right, I'm back to explain what this is. So we just calculated this coefficient, 0.8. What does that mean? All right, so there are rules that you should have written down. If your answer is less than 1, then it is relatively inelastic. Just to help me remember, I'm going to put R inelastic. What does that mean? What that means is if you raise the price a lot, the quantity actually doesn't change that much. Okay, so big change in price, small change in demand. All right, so the next one, 1.25, if your answer is bigger than 1, if your answer is bigger than 1, it is relatively elastic. So I'm just going to put R elastic. What does that mean? That means if you raise the price just a little bit, in this case we're going to do half a square here, it's going to go down by a whole square. All right, so small change in price, big change in the quantity demanded. All right, this one's not possible. What does 0 mean? So 0 means, coming to the rules, perfectly inelastic. So what does that mean? It looks like this. It means no matter what you do to your price, it's not going to change how many people want. It's just straight up and down. You can have the highest price in the world or you can have the lowest price in the world. It's not changing anything. An example of this product, insulin, life-saving drugs where you gotta take it. You are going to pay it no matter what. Great. 1, what does that mean? Well, 1 is unit elastic, and all that means, I'm just gonna write it here. And I forgot to put perfectly inelastic here. So, what does unit elastic mean? It's pretty simple. It just means that if you raise the price, the quantity demanded will go down by the same proportion, right? So in this case, I raised it by 1 square, and you can see my quantity went down by 1 square. That's all it means, 45-degree angle. All right, and then the last one, 5. What does that mean? Well, if your answer is greater than 1, it is elastic. So I'm just gonna put elastic. And the bigger the number, that means essentially the flatter the line. And again, what that means is if you raise the price just a little bit, for example here, I raised it by 1 square, but the demand went down 1, 2, 3, 4 squares. So that's what a very elastic product means. Small change in price, really big change in demand.